Some of the best tires on the road are not always the ones everyone talks about. Many drivers spend nearly twice as much on premium tires without getting twice the performance. That is not a marketing slogan. It is something experienced mechanics notice every day. Because once you have seen thousands of tires come through a repair shop, one thing becomes obvious. The logo on the sidewall does not always predict how well that tire will perform after 40,000 or 50,000 miles. Here is what most drivers never realize. Price and performance are not always connected. Some expensive tires deserve their reputation. Others charge heavily for brand recognition. Meanwhile, several affordable tire brands quietly deliver excellent wet braking, comfortable rides, strong tread life, and surprisingly low ownership costs. They simply do not get the same attention. Today's list is not about buying the cheapest tire possible. It is about buying the smartest tire for your money. We are looking at tire brands that consistently perform well in real-world driving, receive strong long-term owner feedback, and earn respect from mechanics who install tires every day. By the end, you will understand why some overlooked brands can deliver better value than tires with much bigger names. Let's begin with number 7. Number 7. Uniroyal. Most drivers overlook Uniroyal completely, yet mechanics have known the brand for decades. Uniroyal is an American heritage brand now produced under the Michelin family of companies in many markets. That relationship surprises many people. Its position in the market is simple, affordable, dependable, focused on everyday driving. Uniroyal is not usually built for aggressive performance. It is built for commuters, family sedans, and daily highway use. And that is exactly where it makes sense. In everyday driving, Uniroyal touring tires often perform better than many drivers expect. Wet braking is one of their stronger qualities. The tread pattern typically uses wide grooves to move standing water away from the contact patch during heavy rain. Dry handling is not sporty, but it is predictable. Ride quality stays comfortable on rough pavement. Road noise usually remains controlled when the tires are maintained properly. What mechanics notice most is consistency. These tires often wear evenly with proper rotation and alignment. The tread compound is not overly soft. So many drivers achieve strong mileage depending on driving habits and road conditions. Mechanically, the explanation is simple. The tread blocks are designed to reduce irregular wear. The compound helps maintain flexibility in wet conditions while resisting excessive heat buildup during highway driving. Heat is one of the biggest enemies of tire longevity. When heat stays controlled, tread degradation slows. Long-term owners often report the same thing. The tires do not feel exciting. They just keep working. And for daily drivers, that matters more than a famous logo. Number 6. Nexen. Most people still think of Nexen as a budget brand, but that reputation has not fully caught up with reality. Founded in South Korea, Nexen has spent the last 2 decades improving its engineering and manufacturing. Today, some automakers even install Nexen tires as original equipment on selected vehicles. That tells you something important. Manufacturers do not choose tires based only on price. They also evaluate durability, rolling resistance, noise, ride comfort, and overall balance. Nexen performs especially well for drivers who want comfort without premium pricing. Many of its touring and all-season tires offer strong wet traction for the money. Hydroplaning resistance is often better than expected. Dry braking remains competitive. Ride comfort is one of the biggest surprises. Road noise also stays reasonably controlled. Mechanics often explain this through tread design and tire construction. Nexen uses high silica compounds in many touring tires. Combined with modern tread patterns, the tires maintain stable contact with the road, while pushing water away efficiently. Sidewall construction also contributes to comfort without making the tire feel too soft. Most drivers never realize this. Comfort is not just about air pressure. The tire carcass itself plays a huge role. Owners frequently report solid tread life when rotations and alignment are maintained. That makes Nexen a smart option for family sedans, compact SUVs, crossovers, and daily commuters. Drivers who prioritize quiet highway travel are often pleasantly surprised. Not because Nexen is the cheapest, because it feels better than the price suggests. Number 5. General Tire. Mechanics know General Tire better than most drivers do. General has been building tires for more than a century and now operates under Continental's ownership. That engineering relationship gives the brand real credibility. General occupies an interesting position. It is not priced like a premium tire, but it is not bargain basement quality either. Its touring and all-season products often perform above expectations. Wet braking remains dependable. Dry handling feels confident. Ride quality balances comfort with steering stability. But the most impressive characteristic is often tread longevity. Many General all-season tires are known for strong mileage when properly maintained. What mechanics consistently observe is even wear. That is important. A tire that wears evenly can deliver better long-term value than a tire with slightly better initial grip, but uneven wear patterns. The tread compounds are designed to resist heat cycling over thousands of highway miles. The shoulder blocks remain stable during cornering. The center ribs help with straight-line tracking. This creates predictable handling throughout much of the tire's life. Long-term owners also praise durability. Sidewalls handle everyday impacts reasonably well without making the ride harsh. For drivers who cover long highway distances every week, General often becomes one of the smartest purchases available. The logo may not get much attention, but the performance does. Number 4. Falken. Years ago, many drivers associated Falken mostly with performance enthusiasts. Today, its touring and all-season tires deserve just as much attention. Falken is a Japanese brand owned by Sumitomo Rubber Industries, one of the largest tire manufacturers in the world. That global engineering experience matters, especially in everyday all-season tires. What makes Falken impressive is balance. No single category has to dominate. Instead, Falken tires often perform consistently across the categories most drivers actually care about: wet braking, dry handling, hydroplaning resistance, road noise, comfort, tread life. That balance is what mechanics respect. A tire can be excellent in one category and still disappoint in daily ownership. Falken avoids that problem by delivering well-rounded performance. The tread compound often uses advanced silica formulations to maintain grip in cooler or wet conditions while reducing rolling resistance. Variable tread block spacing helps reduce vibration and cabin noise during highway driving. Sidewall structure usually provides a slightly firmer steering feel than many budget competitors without making the ride uncomfortable. Owners often report solid mileage depending on driving style and maintenance. For commuters who spend hours on interstate highways, Falken becomes especially valuable. Quiet, comfortable, stable in rain, affordable. Most drivers overlook it because they are focused on heavily advertised brands. But mechanics who see these tires after thousands of miles understand why Falken deserves attention. Number 3. Kumho. Kumho delivers something many drivers do not expect: premium level balance at a budget-friendly price. This South Korean manufacturer has spent decades developing tires for passenger cars, crossovers, SUVs, and performance vehicles. Today, Kumho products regularly appear against much more expensive competitors, and they often hold up surprisingly well. Kumho touring tires are frequently praised for wet braking, predictable dry handling, and strong hydroplaning resistance. Ride comfort is another strong point. The tires absorb broken pavement well without feeling disconnected from the road. Mechanics often point to compound technology. Kumho uses high silica tread compounds designed to stay flexible in wet conditions while resisting premature wear during hot highway driving. The tread design often includes multiple lateral grooves that move water quickly away from the tire. That reduces hydroplaning risk during heavy rain. Heat management is another important factor. As tires heat and cool over thousands of miles, the rubber slowly changes. Better compounds resist that aging process more effectively. That is one reason owners often report satisfying tread life when rotations and alignment are done on schedule. For daily commuters, family sedans, and compact SUVs, Kumho often represents one of the strongest values available. It is not the cheapest tire. It is a smart tire, and that difference matters. Number 2. Cooper. If you have spent enough time around repair shops, you have probably heard mechanics mention Cooper. Cooper built its reputation through real-world performance rather than flashy advertising. Originally founded in the United States and now operating as part of Goodyear, Cooper continues producing tires focused on durability and everyday practicality. This is one of those brands mechanics trust because they have watched the tires age. Not because of brochures, not because of marketing, because they have seen Cooper tires return after tens of thousands of miles with even tread wear and satisfied owners. Cooper touring tires often deliver strong value in wet braking and ride comfort. Dry handling remains stable. Road noise stays controlled. Highway tracking feels confident. The engineering philosophy is straightforward. Balanced tread block stiffness helps distribute load evenly across the contact patch. That reduces irregular wear. The tread compound also resists excessive heat buildup during long highway trips. Heat cycling slowly hardens every tire over time. The slower that process occurs, the longer the tire maintains consistent performance. Long-term owners often report strong mileage depending on maintenance and driving style. Cooper is especially strong for family vehicles, pickup trucks, crossovers, and commuters. Most mechanics do not recommend a tire simply because it is inexpensive. They recommend it because replacing tires less often saves customers money without sacrificing confidence behind the wheel. That is where Cooper earns its reputation. Number 1. Hankook. 20 years ago, many drivers would not have placed Hankook near premium tire brands. Today, that has changed completely. Hankook has become one of the strongest examples of engineering catching up with, and sometimes challenging, reputation. Manufactured in South Korea and supplied as original equipment on vehicles from Hyundai, Kia, Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and others, Hankook has earned global respect. What surprises mechanics is not one outstanding category. It is how consistently good these tires are across nearly every category that matters. Wet braking is strong. Dry handling feels stable. Hydroplaning resistance is excellent. Rolling resistance is low. Ride quality is comfortable. Road noise is controlled. And tread life is often impressive. For daily drivers, that complete balance matters far more than one dramatic performance number. Mechanically, several factors contribute to these results. Advanced silica compounds help maintain grip while reducing rolling resistance. Optimized tread block geometry helps minimize uneven wear. The internal belt package provides stable handling without excessive sidewall stiffness. The result feels refined, predictable, confident, exactly what most daily drivers need. Not racetrack performance, not maximum cornering force. Reliable performance every morning, every highway trip, and every rainstorm. For commuters, families, and drivers who cover significant annual mileage, Hankook consistently delivers premium-level value. while staying more affordable than many household name competitors. That is why experienced mechanics continue recommending it, not because it is the cheapest, because it quietly earns its reputation through performance. And that is why Hankook deserves the #1 position. Now let's step back. This list is not saying premium tires are a waste of money. They are not. Brands like Michelin, Continental, Bridgestone, and Goodyear continue producing outstanding tires. The point is different. Buying the right tire matters more than buying the most expensive one. A premium tire designed for aggressive performance may not be the best choice for a daily commute. A well-designed touring tire costing less may ride quieter, last longer, and deliver better real-world value. Real value comes from matching the tire to your driving habits. Independent testing matters. Owner experience matters. Mechanic observations matter. Advertising matters far less than most people think. The smartest tire purchase is not always the tire with the biggest name. It is the tire that delivers dependable traction, quiet operation, long tread life, and consistent performance year after year. That is what saves money, not simply paying the lowest price or the highest one. Mechanics understand this because they do not judge tires after 1 month. They judge them after tens of thousands of miles. That is when tread wear tells the real story. That is when sidewall durability becomes obvious. That is when road noise begins changing. That is when customers return either satisfied or disappointed. The brands on this list are not perfect. No tire is. Every model has strengths and compromises. Some prioritize comfort, others emphasize longevity. Some perform better in heavy rain, others shine during highway travel. The best choice is always the one that matches how you actually drive. Because tires affect far more than ride comfort. They influence braking distance, fuel economy, noise levels, steering response, long-term ownership costs, and your overall driving experience every day. So before buying your next set of tires, spend less time looking at the logo. Spend more time looking at real-world durability, owner feedback, and how the tire performs after thousands of miles. The smartest tire purchase is not always the most expensive one. It is the tire that keeps performing long after everyone expected it to wear out. Now, I want to hear from you. Which tire brand has impressed you most over the years? Would you buy an affordable tire if it consistently outperformed a premium competitor? And which tire brand do you trust most for everyday driving? Leave your experience in the comments. If you enjoy mechanic-tested advice, real-world comparisons, and practical ways to save money while keeping your vehicle safe and reliable, subscribe and join us for the next video. Because smart car ownership is not about spending more. It is about knowing where your money actually makes the biggest difference.